Musta?
I like the sauce.
Hi everyone, this is LeeAnne, your Lakwatsura teacher ng Thailand. Here, nandito tayo guys sa Sisaket. It's 1 hour away from my place. At today is today? June 25. 25 tayo. 25 ba ngayon de?
26.
25.
26 daw ron ba?
Oh ba?
Aw, 25 ba?
25.
25. Ako mo kailan ko yung mga pizza-pizza na yung 25.
Oh. June 25 today. Dito ako sa Sisaket kasi
Siblings.
may kukunin ako from Ate Gags. Yes. Tapos merong durian festival
Ata.
Merong durian festival hanggang June 30. Tsaka maganda yung mga plants nila.
Sis na o mga durian.
Hindi, katong durian na... Yung durian na nakauna mo ni Popsi.
Walay baho, no?
Walay baho.
Nakakaon ko, anak. Dalahan ko. Di ka kantara lang.
Oo. Walay. Oh my gosh.
Lanกับโมเมนเป็นยังไงควันไส้
สีร่างบอลนี่พี่น้องไปตามฟังน้ำนี่นะ
Naghawa namin dito. Kay ilahang durian kay mga
Panghipos na.
ilang durian ipanghipos na ilang mga durian. Tapos ilang durian kay dilihin ko.
Ilang durian.
Ilang durian. So ano kami sa yellow satay.
Ayan, lara, oh. Nilahan ko
Menu. Kami sa yellow satay. Picture na lang kami din. Even may kawalo mag-order. We don't know how to speak Thai and we cannot read. So, among tanawon picture na lang.
I work in Sawadee since 2008. Tamo anak naka-free pa mi.
So guys, meron kaming free. We have free! Thank you so much! We have free iced tea! Yay! Sinabi na, niya siguro, nakita niya siguro na hindi tayo kumukuha ng drinks.
Oo man, dili basig pa-close na sila.
Oo. Kaya yan. Yay, naka-free me.
No, tilawan na to lang, si.
Aloy ma! Kai!
Taste good.
Thank you so much! Hi, vlogger friend eh. Yay! Our food is here.
Chicken steak.
Can I take a video with you? Yeah. Hi! This is the owner of Yellow Steak in Sisaket. No. See, how's the taste? The taste good. Taste. We are the taste tests.
Musta?
I like the sauce.
Wow.
Aloy. I like the sauce. Yummy. Tinuod di. Yummy, no?
Wala pa na ako natilawan. Lami. Lami po ilang tea.
It's yummy. Come to this. Sisaket. No? Gila ganito?
Ang butag pila mga bato naman ata ni.
59.
59 ata. 59 ba? Murag dili ata.
59 lang.
Dili siguro eh. Mga tanah daw ta.
Could be.
Pika.
Ano ito like ka? Nasib ka.
Aloy! Yummy! Okay na ba?
59 baht only.
59 baht only. You should come and visit Yellow Steak in Sisaket. Food is really good. Thank you so much. We finished everything. Thank you so thank you so much. Yes, Yellow Steak. Yellow Steak is just along the road. Ayun siya. Yellow Steak. You can see, wala pala. Ano na pala, nakapaglinis na pala ako ng mukha, guys. We are now in Ate Gaga's house. I'm gonna sleep here for the night because my place is very far from here. Not very far. It's an hour away from here. So I will go home tomorrow early at 5 a.m. so that I will arrive Ubon at 6 before 7 kasi may work tayo ng 7 o'clock. So dapat nandun na tayo sa Ubon ng alas 7 ng umaga. So see you guys for my next video. Bye!